Fix Facebook friends list not showing. Is your Facebook friends list not showing? Let's fix it step by step. So first, go ahead and check your privacy settings. So go ahead and click on this menu button at the top right of your screen and then scroll down and you will find settings and privacy. Click on it and select settings, and this will take you into your settings. So from here, go ahead and tap on who can see your friends list and set it to friends or public. If it's set to only me, your list won't show. Another thing you can do to resolve the issue is to clear cache or refresh the app. So to clear cache, you need to go ahead and head back to your home screen, long press Facebook, click on app info, and that will take you here. Select storage and cache, and then select clear cache at the bottom right of your screen. Another thing you can do is to update Facebook app. So update your Facebook app. Meta often pushes fixes for missing lists. And that is how to fix Facebook friends list not showing.